Stop doubting yourself, begin your journey today. Self-doubt is a universal challenge that affects people across all walks of life. Whether you're contemplating a career change, pursuing a passion, or taking on a new responsibility, the voice of doubt often creeps in, telling you that you're not capable, ready, or worthy. While a certain level of caution is natural, persistent self-doubt can hold you back from achieving your potential, robbing you of opportunities and fulfillment. Breaking free from self-doubt is not about being fearless, but finding the courage to act despite your fears. This guide will explore the origins of self-doubt, its impact, and actionable strategies to help you overcome it and begin your journey toward a brighter, more confident future. Understanding self-doubt. Self-doubt is the internal questioning of one's abilities, decisions, or worth. It stems from various sources, including past experiences, external influences, and fear of failure. While occasional self-doubt can encourage reflection and growth, excessive doubt paralyzes progress and diminishes confidence. Common causes of self-doubt. 1. Fear of failure, a concern about making mistakes or facing rejection. 2. Comparison to others, measuring yourself against peers, colleagues, or societal standards. 3. Past experiences, previous failures or setbacks that linger in your mind. 4. Perfectionism, unrealistic expectations that make success feel unattainable. 5. Negative feedback, criticism, whether constructive or harmful, that undermines confidence. The effects of self-doubt. Unchecked self-doubt can lead to procrastination, delaying action out of fear of failure, missed opportunities, avoiding risks or challenges that could lead to growth. Stagnation, feeling stuck and unable to progress. Low self-esteem, believing you're not good enough to succeed. Why you need to stop doubting yourself. Overcoming self-doubt is essential for personal and professional growth. When you stop doubting yourself, you unlock the ability to 1. Take action. Confidence in your abilities propels you to seize opportunities and make decisions. 2. Grow resilient. Embracing challenges builds mental strength and adaptability. 3. Discover potential. Overcoming doubt reveals talents and abilities you may not have realized. 4. Live authentically. Trusting yourself allows you to pursue passions and align with your values. How to overcome self-doubt. Breaking free from self-doubt requires a combination of mindset shifts, actionable strategies, and consistent effort. Here's how you can start. 1. Acknowledge and accept self-doubt. The first step to overcoming self-doubt is recognizing its presence without judgment. Acknowledge your feelings, admit when you're feeling uncertain or hesitant. Understand the source, reflect on why you're doubting yourself. Is it fear, comparison, or past experiences? Separate fact from fiction. Challenge whether your doubts are based on reality or assumptions. 2. Reframe negative thoughts. Transforming self-doubt into self-belief begins with shifting your mindset. Replace "I can't" with "I can learn." Focus on growth and potential rather than limitations. Practice self-compassion. Treat yourself with kindness, just as you would a friend. Reframe setbacks. View mistakes as learning opportunities rather than failures. 3. Take small steps forward. Sometimes self-doubt arises from feeling overwhelmed. Break big goals into manageable actions to build confidence. Set achievable goals. Start with tasks that are challenging yet attainable. Celebrate small wins. Acknowledge and reward your progress, no matter how minor. Focus on the present. Avoid overthinking the future. Concentrate on what you can do today. 4. Build a support system. Surrounding yourself with positive influences can counteract self-doubt. Seek encouragement. Share your goals with friends, family, or mentors who believe in you. Join like-minded communities. Engage with people who share your interests and aspirations. Learn from role models. Draw inspiration from individuals who have overcome similar challenges. 5. Develop a growth mindset. Adopt the belief that abilities can be developed through dedication and effort. Embrace challenges. View them as opportunities to grow rather than threats. Be open to feedback. Constructive criticism helps you improve and refine your skills. Commit to lifelong learning. Continuously seek knowledge and new experiences. 6. Focus on your strengths. Counter self-doubt by recognizing and leveraging your existing talents and achievements. Keep a success journal. Write down accomplishments, big or small, to remind yourself of your capabilities. Identify core strengths. Reflect on qualities or skills that make you unique and valuable. Use affirmations. Repeat positive statements that reinforce your confidence and abilities. 7. Take action despite fear. Antidote to self-doubt is action. Confidence grows when you prove to yourself that you can handle challenges. Start before you're ready. Waiting for the perfect time often leads to inaction. Accept imperfection, focus on progress over perfection to reduce pressure. Learn by doing, each step forward builds momentum and reduces fear, even if small. A. Limit comparison. Comparing yourself to others fuels self-doubt. Shift your focus inward instead. Compete with yourself, strive to be better than you were yesterday, not better than someone else. Curate your social media, unfollow accounts that trigger comparison, and focus on uplifting content. Appreciate your journey, recognize that everyone's path is unique, with different challenges and timelines. 9. Visualize success. Visualization is a powerful tool for boosting confidence and motivation. Imagine achieving your goals, picture yourself succeeding, and enjoying the rewards of your efforts. Use affirmations, reinforce your visualization with positive statements like, "I am capable of overcoming challenges." Practice daily, spend a few minutes each day visualizing success to reinforce your belief in yourself. 10. Reflect and adapt. Self-doubt often fades when you gain clarity about your progress and potential. Review your journey, reflect on how far you've come and the obstacles you've overcome. Adjust your goals, revise your plans if necessary, ensuring they remain realistic and achievable. Stay resilient. Accept that self-doubt may resurface, but use it as an opportunity to reassess and grow. Real-life examples of overcoming self-doubt. 1. Oprah Winfrey. Oprah faced rejection and adversity early in her career, but believed in her potential. Her persistence and self-confidence made her one of the world's most influential media personalities. 2. J.K. Rowling. Before Harry Potter became a global phenomenon, J.K. Rowling experienced poverty and numerous rejections from publishers. Overcoming self-doubt, she pursued her dream and achieved incredible success. 3. Elon Musk. Despite criticism and setbacks, Elon Musk pursued ambitious projects like Tesla and SpaceX. His ability to move forward despite uncertainty demonstrates the power of action over doubt. The role of mindset in overcoming self-doubt. Developing a resilient mindset is crucial for combating self-doubt and maintaining motivation. Cultivate these attitudes. 1. Growth mindset. Believe you can improve through effort and perseverance. 2. Optimism. Focus on possibilities rather than limitations. 3. Gratitude. Appreciate your progress and the resources available to you. 4. Resilience. Accept setbacks as part of the journey and remain determined to continue. The long-term benefits of overcoming self-doubt. 1. Increased confidence. Trusting yourself leads to better decision-making and opportunities. 2. Personal growth. Overcoming doubt pushes you out of your comfort zone, fostering development. 3. Fulfillment. Pursuing your passions and goals brings a sense of purpose and satisfaction. 4. Stronger relationships. Confidence and self-belief enhance communication and connection. Key takeaways. 1. Acknowledge doubt, but don't let it define you. Recognize your feelings without letting them control your actions. 2. Start small. Build confidence through incremental steps and celebrate progress. 3. Leverage support systems. Surround yourself with uplifting and inspiring people. 4. Take action despite fear. Action is the antidote to doubt and a gateway to growth. 5. Focus on your strengths. Use your unique skills and past successes to fuel your belief in yourself. Conclusion. Self-doubt is a natural part of being human, but it doesn't have to dictate your decisions or limit your potential. You can overcome fear and hesitation by acknowledging doubt, reframing negative thoughts, and taking intentional action to begin your journey toward a brighter future. The key is to trust in your ability to grow, learn, and adapt. Remember, the best time to start is now. Take the first step today, and let each small victory build your confidence and propel you closer to your dreams.